The UN relief chief said in quick-hit Syria on Monday that as the UN relief efforts enter a humanitarian phase, the urgency is to cover such needs as shelter, food, and schooling. Martin Griffith, UN Under-Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator, said the plan now is to cover 3 months of humanitarian needs in Syria.
We'll cover about 3 months of the humanitarian needs, because what we've seen happening in these zones of the earthquake is that the rescue phase is dragging live people out from the rubble and finding those who've died in the rubble. That's coming to a close. And now the humanitarian phase, the urgency of providing shelter, psychosocial care, food, schooling, and a sense of the future for these people, that's our obligation.
About the situation in rebel-held areas in the northwestern province of Idlib, Griffith said the UN would have aid moving to that region, and that truckloads of relief supplies were also moving from Turkey to northwestern Syria.
What is extraordinary is that the international response to the earthquake, the search and rescue response, was unparalleled in history. I hope we'll see the same for the humanitarian needs.
The United Nations said Friday that the earthquake in Syria had displaced 5.3 million people.